Hello everyone, welcome to Kallada Academy, and today we'll be discussing on how to create child themes in WordPress. So just first of all, let us understand what is a child theme. So we'll be discussing on what is a child theme, what are the benefits of child theme. Third point is how we'll be creating child theme in our WordPress site and how we'll be using this particular child theme. So this is the definition of a child theme. What is a child theme? Child theme is a sub-theme that inherits the functionality and styling of another theme called the parent theme. Fine. So in the next part, what are its benefits? Child themes are a very safe way to modify a WordPress theme without actually making any kind of changes to the parent theme files, right? So when the parent theme gets updated, changes made in the child theme are preserved and applied on the updated version as well, right? So this is why child themes are the safest and the best way to make any kind of changes on the existing theme. So what kind of any kind of tweaks, any kind of disruptions which happens during creation as well as during testing any of our themes, it doesn't get implemented or affect our major website, the parent theme that we are having, right? So this is a very good tool. So just let us get on to our WordPress dashboard so that we can see how this thing can be implemented. So for implementing a child theme, I'll be using a WordPress plugin. So we are already there in our plugin tab. So I'll add on a plugin. Okay, fine. So I'll just get in to something like child theme and search out. Okay, so I found out a child theme configurator, which has greater than like 3 lakh plus active installations, and it is having greater than 4-star output, 253. And it is like it's untested, but still we'll be trying it out. Install now. Okay, and activate. Okay, fine. So my child theme is activated. Let us go on to the tool section and see whether my child theme is there or not. We get onto the tool section and we have a theme, we have a tab of child themes out here. We click onto this one. And let us set up this particular child theme. So create a child theme, it's fine. It will be built on our parent theme of Astra, the major theme that we are already working on, and we will analyze this one. Okay, so these are done. We do not make any kind of changes on these. It's fine. And we'll create a new child theme. Okay, so my child theme creation is final. I'll just add a few files so that we'll be able to work on this particular theme. So we have footer.php out here. And we also have header.php out here, so that we'll be able to test these headers and footers by implementing any kind of changes. So we select copy selected to child theme. Yeah, so all these settings have been updated. Now let us get on with the theme section. Appearance, themes. And we have our Astra child theme as downloaded, right? So we have two specific themes. This is the current theme that we are working on currently. This is active Astra, and this is the child theme for this particular plugin. So any of the tweaks, any of the changes that we would like to implement or do any kind of testing, we can do it very easily on the Astra child theme, which is there. So just let us try it out and activate this particular child theme out here. Fine. So my current active theme is Astra Child. Let us head on and check on whether my child theme is activated. Yeah. So this is the child theme that has been activated. Now let us make any kind of like small time tweaks on the header part so that we'll be able to see whether these changes are like, viable or not. So this is on Astra Child, and we'll get on with our appearance theme editor. Okay, so our header and footer is visible out here. We'll get into my header.php. Let us check on the head tab. Okay, so this is the open head tab out here, and here we can type in something like hello world, how and yeah, so my current theme is Astra Child. We can see which are the specific themes that is currently functioning. So Astra Child is there, and we go out here and update this file. Okay, so this file is updated. Let us go on with this variation, the testing site that we are having. We'll just update this. Fine. So hello world, how are you? This has been activated and this is being seen out here, right? So any kind of changes, any kind of tweaks that we are making on our child theme is getting activated, and we can see this, right? So if we are making any kind of mistakes like this, right, any kind of tweaks which is further not viable, we can easily shift on to my parent theme and work on accordingly, and my theme, my website doesn't get disturbed. So how do we do that? We again shift on, go to my dashboard, get on to the theme section, right, and we activate our parent Astra theme out here. Right, so I've shifted on from my child theme where I had made that specific testing, and I shifted on from my Astra child theme to my current, the parent theme that was Astra. So let me try it out. This was my child theme on which I had committed this particular mistake. I'll update and let's see. Fine. So this is my parent theme, and there has been no changes out here. It's the old theme that is functioning, my exact parent theme that was there with me, right? So I hope so you found out this video as entertaining as well as good, and we'll be catching up with you in our next video. Thank you very much.